Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the shipping address phone number a required field during checkout. This is especially helpful for order updates, delivery coordination, and reducing failed or delayed shipments, which can save you time and customer support headaches. So of course you need to be signed in. Once you're logged in, I want you to look to the left-hand menu, and what we want to do is click on Settings. It's on the lower left corner, right? So click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all of your store-wide configurations. Once you are in your settings page, I want you to click on Checkout. It's over here, right? Checkout. So click on Checkout. This section controls how customers experience the checkout process from start to finish. Once you are in Check Your Checkout, you're going to have a lot of options here. So under Customer Information, right? There are a lot of options here where you can require this or you don't need to require this. These settings let you decide what information is essential before an order can be completed. You're going to see on the very bottom, shipping address phone number. So it says, don't include. You have an option to click on required or optional. Of course you want to, for this video, have it required as they are about to check out whatever it is that they are buying. This makes sure you always have a contact number if there's an issue with shipping, delivery, or verification. So click on required. There you go. And this will appear here on top, unsaved changes. It's either discard or save. Of course we want to save, so click on Save, so the change actually takes effect on your checkout page. There you go, and once that's done, you are good to go. From now on, customers won't be able to complete checkout without entering a phone number. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon so you don't miss more quick Shopify tips. We'll see you on the next video.